Yo, what's going on, guys? Louis here, bringing you another how-to video. Today we're gonna teach Tony. What's his name, Chris? Tony how to change his oil because he doesn't know how. So we're back. Tony went to, where'd you go, Tony?
Take my dad to a mechanic.
Take his dad to a mechanic.
Bitch ass
His bitch ass wasn't even there. Alright, so we're gonna use that. We're gonna get us something up because that bitch is tight. Oh fuck, I'm stuck. Oh fuck, dude.
It's in there, Louis. Good luck getting it out.
I'm not taking it out.
Louis, dude. That's my good socket wrench, Louis. You better not break it.
Better hope not. Are you sure we're doing it that way, right?
Yes, it's that way.
Oh my god, dude. Let me get.
Yay! Wait, Louis,
Where's
get
the bucket, cut?
Tony,
Tony, give me the bucket.
get the red one.
The red one. The red one.
Did I get the screw up yet?
Yes, man.
Let me see it.
It's gonna
Wait,
shoot
Tony.
out.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be hot. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm stuck! I can't breathe! I'm claustrophobic.
Castrophobic.
What is that
You
called?
afraid of Castro or what?
Fuck Castro.
Fuck
Watch-
Trump, 2016.
Fuck Trump! Watch this, Vic don't have any oil, dude. Oh.
Hey, Trump is winning.
I know.
Really? Oh yeah. He's been winning. Oh, VIP, Louis.
VIP live.
It's crunch time. eBay live.
eBay built. We should like bump it, right?
Sure. This wood is so nice, Louis.
Man, if you wanted wood like that, you should have told me.
Huh?
I have a shitload of wood like that.
Nah.
Yeah.
From our
And a
living
fresh, clean headliner.
We just added like 10 grand to this truck. We're gonna use his belt because we don't have one of those tools, the oil remover thing. So we're gonna show you how to do it with a belt. My dad showed me this. So since this is, it's like leather, it's gonna like stick to it. Chris, don't feel my face.
I can't even see it, Louis.
You can't?
Oh, your stupid hands are in the way.
So we're just gonna pull and hope it like, is it this way? Is that way, right?
Yes.
No other way.
Oh.
You broke my belt!
Oh my god, where'd you buy this belt, Chris? Fucking Ross? Oh, what a fucking fail, Chris. They just like.
Ah, you're a fucking dickhead. You broke my belt.
Trying to get over me.
You're ashy, Louis.
You're ashy, bitch.
You're ashy, bitch.
Your pussy satchy, ashy.
Ew, that can't happen, Louis.
Can it?
No,
Oh, it's always moist.
How do you know, Tony?
because Tony gets bitches.
Tony, get some pussy. Get some money.
Mariela.
Maria.
That's jazz.
Bro, she's gonna see this video.
Danny's gonna see this video.
Oh, not the Super Bowl. Ah! Here it goes, here it goes. We're on it. Ah, fuck! It's coming. It's coming.
I'm coming.
I'm gonna come.
Louis.
Ah!
You almost there, Louis.
Oh fuck, dude, this bitch is fucking tight. Oh fuck. Oh. Oh. It busted Chris.
Gross.
Oh my
I'm
God.
gonna need it.
Hey man, he's gonna watch this video. Sorry, babe.
Nita, you wanna know what he said?
No.
Oh, you're in trouble. Get the
Alright.
fuck out. Pull that over there.
Wait, let me take off my belts. Alright, so if you're having trouble, just like do this, and you should be fine.
No.
That's it. A little bit, one more.
Oh, shit.
Don't pull it down. Is that good?
I think so.
Oh, that's good. That's good too. Let me see. Yeah, that's good. All right. Let me see my red.
All right.
You had it. All right, since we don't have a funnel,
This is a fun.
there's the funnel. Whenever you're in the hood,
That's in the court.
hood live.
Open it. So it doesn't like shoot everywhere, and then you put it upside down, and it doesn't like make a big mess. Louis doesn't know this because he doesn't know how to pour oil.
Okay.
You always make a huge mess.
Hey man.
You see that? No mess, Louis. I could do it without
You
the
have a
funnel.
funnel.
I could do it without the funnel, and
No,
you know
Chris,
it.
Don't risk it.
Bro, that's good enough. Give me the other one, son.
Oh.
Alright, so pull that bitch in.
What about?
Do it the same way. Like, do it sideways, but slowly. Try not to spill all over my hands.
Fuck.
What was that?
Fucked up. That's 5. Oh. What is that? 2.0?
2.7.
2.7!
This bitch is slow, Tony.
Hey, where your reduction?
All of it? Yeah, all of it.
All of
You
it,
said
Tony.
6 quarts.
I mean, last time I bought one of these and it wasn't enough.
Look how clear the oil should be.
Gold. That bitch looks like piss.
It's like, honey.
That's why you don't get Valvoline. You get Pennzoil.
Pennzoil! Shout out to Pennzoil. Sponsor us.
Sponsorship.
Well, Valvoline is life.
Nah, Valvoline sucks dick. Royal purple. Synthetic.
Synthetic light. That's synthetic?
Yeah, this is synthetic.
It is?
Yeah.
Damn it, Tony, what'd you get synthetic?
Oh my god. Eduardo told me.
Synthetic blend.
Stupid Eduardo.
Stupid Eduardo.
Stupid Eduardo. Right, Chris?
Yeah, Eduardo's my friend. Yeah.
Now, check it. Street model bit. You have to use the pliers to do that, Chris.
What?
To take all that shit.
Well, I don't have pliers.
Oh, dude, that pinches la presión. Make sure there's no leak, guys, and there's not leaks, so we're good to go.
I doubt that's gonna work.
Nah, it'll work, Tony. We make anything work here.
So that car's for sale.
$500.
$1 grand.
A grand. It's a
The wheels are just $500.
98 Eclipse.
it's 98 Eclipse.
GS.
Running drives. Runs and drives.
That's a hard knock.
It's a hard knock life.
How am I supposed to grip? This isn't fun. Why? What happened to your dipstick, Tony?
It was like that when I got it.
Really?
Yeah. I forgot to steal one from the junkie. Not saying which one.
Pick and pull.
Alright guys, so we got another video coming up next about we're gonna go get his voice transmission off of the junkyard.
Give me a new tranny.
So stick around for that.
Let me see your little knife.
Yeah, let me see your cuchillo.
Just like stab it in the side and pull up.
That's a hard knock life.
I think it's the middle one.
They're like lipsticks are like $11 at.
Really?
Yeah.
They're like
Where?
13 though.
O'Reilly's.
Really?
Don't cut yourself, Chris.
Hey man, this bitch ain't sharp. I never cut myself, Louis. I don't hurt myself.
I hurt myself.
I'm about to like get my drill and just drill it and pull it out.
The hoopty drill.
Oh, I have a corkscrew.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, I have one too. No, never mind.
We're not at your house, Louis. This is not gonna work.
I don't think that's gonna work either.
Here, let me give it a go.
Okay.
It has no grip.
Grip life. Like that. Damn, what happened to this shit?
Told you.
It's because we need to check the oil, dude.
Nah, the oil's good. Just fuck it. Just...
I don't have my needle nose. I left them home. Left them at the crib.
You mean you left my needle nose at your house?
No, I have my needle nose
Then
too.
where's mine at?
Forgot them. I was gonna bring them too.
Nah, you always for saying that you're gonna bring shit. You never bring it, Louis.
I keep on forgetting, Chris.
Tool thief.
Okay.
You steal my tools, Louis, because you know my tools are awesome.
Oh my god! Shout out to Superman sponsoring.
Superman's gonna sponsor us, Louis.
You never know.
What color is that?
What color?
It's
Oh, it's like
blue
bluish.
silver. That's
Yeah.
that's a beautiful color. Look at that. Look how it reflects in the light.
Alright guys, so it's not coming out for some fucking reason. But we're pretty sure we kind of know that it's good.
Tony, did you look it up how much you needed? Or did Eduardo tell you?
Eduardo told me.
That's not good, Tony.
Oh, I hate this. I guess that could.
What year is this?
Oh wait.
Because we can't pull this out for some fucking reason. Because Tony broke the thing.
Nah, it came broken.
It came broken.
Don't
Shut
shop
up.
at Double A's Auto.
I don't shop at Double A's. And he bought this car, right, Tony?
Yeah, I bought it.
So it's not mom and daddy's
Money,
money,
And it's not the bank's.
and it's not the.
Ooh.
He
Not
works at
saying who.
he works at KFC.
The one on
Mix it
Singleton
up
and
with,
Hampton.
mix it up with
Hook it up.
chicken.
He go pick you up some chicken.
Just do some survey.
Do
Yeah,
surveys.
do some surveys and shout out Tony on the surveys. He'll hook you up with some free chicken.
Oh god, dude, this thing is stuck. We're gonna come yet. We're gonna come yet. Well, guys, it's not coming out, but we'll do the best right now. See if we can take it off, because right now our GoPro is gonna die.
GoPro.
And yeah, but we'll give you an update. And yeah, thanks for watching. And later. Stick around for more. And this Bentley.